Hello everyone, welcome. The topic we are going to look today is profit and loss. First, let us understand what do you mean by cost price, selling price, profit and loss. First, we will discuss cost price. The price at which an article is purchased is called its cost price. Selling price, the price at which an article is sold is called its selling price. Profit or gain, if selling price is greater than cost price, the seller is said to have a profit or gain. Loss, selling price is less than cost price, the seller is said to have a loss. For example, shopkeeper purchased biscuit 9 rupees, sold 10 rupees. Purchased biscuit is called cost price, sold biscuit is called selling price. Selling price greater than cost price, we get profit. Otherwise, selling price less than cost price, we get loss. We used more than formula. Gain equal to selling price minus cost price. Loss equal to CP minus SP. Gain percentage equal to gain into 100 divided by CP. Loss percentage equal to loss into 100 divided by CP. Selling price equal to 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100 into CP. Selling price equal to 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100 into CP. CP equal to 100 divided by 100 plus gain percentage into SP. Cost percentage equal to 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage into SP. If an article is sold at a gain of say 35%, then SP equal to 135%. Gain values get 135%, 100 add. If an article is sold at loss of any of say 35%, then SP equal to 65% of CP. When a person sells two similar items, one at a gain of say X percentage and the other at a loss of X percentage. Similar items, one at a gain of say X percentage and the other of loss of X percentage. Then the seller always incurs a loss given by loss percentage equal to common loss and gain percentage divided by 10 the whole square. So values X percentage, so X divided by 10 the whole square. If a trader prefers to sell his goods at a cost price but uses false weight, then gain percentage equal to error divided by true value minus error into 100%. For example problems, a man buys articles for rupees 27.50 and sells it for rupees 28.60. Find his gain percent. A man buys an article for rupees 27.50. A man buys an article for rupees 27.50 and sells it is rupees 28.60. Buy values 27.50. We get CP equal to 27.50. Sellers sell it for 28.60. Then SP equal to rupees 28.60. Find his gain percentage. Gain equal to rupees 28.60. Selling price minus cost price minus 27.50. We get rupees 1.10. So gain percentage equal to gain value divided by cost price into 100%. Then 1.10 divided by 27.50 into 100% equal to, we get the solutions equal to. The next problem, if a radio is purchased for rupees 490 and sold for rupees 465.50, find the loss percentage. Then same, then cost by purchase values is cost price equal to rupees 490 and the sold price equal to 465. SP equal to 465.50. Then loss equal to rupees 490 minus 465.50. Loss equal to rupees 24.50. Loss percentage equal to loss divided by CP into 100%. Loss equal to 24.50 divided by 490 into 100 percentage, we get 5%. Loss percentage equal to 5%. This is answer. The next problem, if the cost price is 96%, if the selling price, then what is the profit percentage? Selling price equal to rupees 100, cost price equal to rupees 96, profit equal to rupees 100 minus 96, values 4. The profit percentage equal to profit value 4 divided by cost price 96 into 100 percentage. We get 4.17%. The next problem, the cost price of rupees 21 article is equal to selling price of 18 articles. The cost price of 21 article is equal to selling price of 18 articles. Find the gain or loss percentage. Find the gain or loss percentage. Let CP of each article be rupees 1. Let values rupees 1. Then cost price of 18 articles. 18 articles is rupees 18. Selling price of 18 articles is equal to 21 articles is equal to selling price. So SP of 18 articles equal to rupees 21. So gain equal to rupees 21 minus 18 equal to rupees 3. Gain percentage equal to 3 divided by cost price rupees 18 into 100 percentage. We get the answer 16.666%. Next problem. A vendor bought bananas at 6 for rupees 10 and sold them at 4 for rupees 6. Find his gain or loss percentage. Suppose number of bananas bought 6 and 4. So LCM 6 and 4, LCM values is 12. Then cost price equal to rupees 6 or cost price 10. So 10 divided by 6 into LCM value 12, we get rupees 20. Then selling price equal to rupees 6 divided by 4. Then selling values is rupees 6 divided by 4 into LCM value 12 equal to rupees 18. Then loss equal to 2 divided by 20. 20 minus 18. 2 divided by cost price 20 into 100 percentage. We get the values 10%. So next problem. If the manufacturer gains 10%, the wholesale dealer 15% and the retailer equal 25%, and find the cost of productions of a table, the retail price of which is rupees 1265. The manufacturer gain 10%. Appa 10% 110, retailer 15%, 115, dealer வந்து 15, so 115, then retailer 25, 101, 25%. The retailer price of which is rupees 1265. Let us cost of productions of a table be rupees X. Then 125%, 25% we get 125%, then 15% we get 115%, 10% we get 110% of X equal to given values 1265. Then 125% values 125 divided by 100 into 115 divided by 100 into 110 divided by 100 into X equal to 1265. We get solve 1.5815 X equal to 1265. X equal to 1265 divided by 1.58125. We get solve 800. Appa X equal to rupees 800. Next problem. A man sold 2 flats for rupees 6,75,958. Each on one he gains 16%, while on the other he loses 16%. How much does he gain or lose in the whole transactions? Then in such a case there is always a loss. The selling price is immaterials. Therefore the loss percentage equal to the formula common loss and gain percentage divided by 10. the whole square. The common loss and gain percentage equal to 16%. So 16 divided by 10 the whole square. We get the answer 2.56. So next problem. At what percentage above the cost price must an article be marked so as to gain 33% after allowing a customer a discount of 5%? Let cost price equal to rupees 100, percentage value rupees 100, then selling price equal to 33% gain value, so add 100, 133. Let marked price be rupees X, then 5%, so 95% of X equal to 133. 95%, so 95 divided by 100, X equal to 133. X equal to cross multiply 133 into 100 divided by 95. We get so 140. 140 marked price, the subtract the 100, so 40% above CP. So next problem. When a producer allows 36% commission on the retail price of his product, he earns a profit of 8.8%. What would be his profit percent if the commission is reduced by 24%? Solution. The retail price rupees 100. The commission is rupees 36. So selling price equal to rupees 100 minus 36. So subtract rupees 64. Cost price equal to 100 divided by 8.8%. So gain values, then 108.8 into then selling price 64 into 64. We get solve rupees 1000 divided by 17. Now commission equal to rupees 12. Rupees 12. So selling price equal to 100 minus 12 equal to 88. Gain rupees 88 minus 1000 divided by 17. We solve 496 divided by 17. We get gain percentage equal to gain values 496 divided by 17 into then cost price equal to 1000 divided by 17 divided by 1000 divided by 70. So we get 17 divided by 1000 into 100%. We solve 49.6%. Next problem. Alfred buys an old scooter for rupees 4000. Cost price of each article be rupees 1. Cost of X articles equal to rupees X. Selling price of X article is rupees 20. Profit equal to rupees 20 minus X. So 20 minus X divided by cost price X into 100 equal to 25. 25% to 25, then cross multiply, then 20 into 100, 2000 minus X into 100, 100 and X, then cross multiply 25X, then 2000 minus 100X, then 25, then 125X equal to 2000, X equal to 2000 divided by 125, X equal to 16. So answer 16.